You ready now?
I am. We've sort of put the camera on a tripod, and it's actually sat on Richard's EG up on the ramp.
Yeah, so. On my front splitter, setting up on the ramp, and then it works, I suppose.
I think that's a good angle. Anyway, welcome to another Dynodaze video, and today we have completed another Welly cooler install on this. If Richard steps back for 1 second.
1 second.
Seat Leon Cupra R.
No, it's not an R.
Not an R.
No, it's just a Cupra.
Just a Cupra. So Richard's been busy today building.
Well, it's like buzzes around here. We did one on Monday. You know, we haven't done one for months, and then we did one on Monday, and then we've done one today.
We have.
And to be fair, we put the YouTube video up on Monday, and then we've got another one booking. So
yeah. So YouTube, thanks YouTube, thanks to everybody that supports us and watches the videos. It does help us out.
Yeah, it does help us out. So yeah, just to go over where we are. It's a 2 litre TFSI. Yeah, we've done custom front mount, so we did exactly what we did the other day. Took the original intercooler out of the middle, made some brackets to house the radiator and the intercooler. Got that obviously mounted back in place, put the front panel back on, got the rad pack back in. Obviously made the Welly cooler install fit on the front panel, make some brackets, get that done, and then obviously take the original charge pipe off the side of the engine, chop the snap fitting off, weld a 2.5 inch tail onto that, and then we start making our pipework from there. Pipework runs the intercooler, and then obviously round to the other side, leaving the original plastic charge pipe that runs up the front of the engine. So again, obviously if someone wants to change it or rate it to an aluminium one or whatever they want, then obviously it'll all still fit. They can change the pipe at their own leisure. And done. Not real, you know, averagely simple to do. Nice, this one, nice setup.
Yeah, it is a nice setup. It's what Stage 2 Plus sort of requires, that sort of front mount, and you're not getting a better one. But the reason that they fit so well is because each one that we make is actually custom built on the customer's car. So regardless of what turbo you've got or what other mods you've got, they're all made to spec on the car. And this one, much the same as the red one that we did previous in the week, this one's also going to Artec for Mr. Nicky Gower to map it. So I think that's booked in for like a couple of days from now, and we're gonna basically take payment from the customer, then deliver it for him. Yeah. So there's a nice bit of service, and we'll go speak to Ben and jolly him up a bit, because he's a funny character. If you've not met Ben at Artec, you need to call him immediately.
Yeah.
And speak to him.
And speak to him. You'll love it. He'll love it.
Yeah, so I think we'll take some, we've took some photographs as we've gone. We're going to take some more photographs, but I'm going to do what I did in the last video, and I'm going to lay down all sexy on the floor and do like a cinematic type thing.
Go on then.
All right then. So here we go. So as you can see, it's got the Dynodaze logo on, which is optional. And you can see it's just basically sat there in the front, getting lots of serviceable air. You can just see it poking through the top grille there. Yeah, it's not getting any better than that. So custom hard pipes, which I'll run some photographs of now. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this one. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll run some photographs for you to have a look at. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Look at that, Cupra.
Pretty fast.